EuCNC has been a very good event. We learned a lot, and we also had confirmation that non-terrestrial networks are super important for the 6G evolution. In particular, we were able to present several results of the project in workshop and convene session. One of the main results that we presented is related to the technology enablers, the architecture, in particular the split architecture that allows swap trade-off, size, weight, and power trade-off among the satellite, the radio interface, technological enablers that will be published soon on the new deliverables of the project that will be available end of June, and the standardization roadmap that will also be available end of June. The technological enablers that we presented here, in particular the architecture and the radio interface elements and features, allows the 6G NTN concept to flexible adapt to several use cases. These use cases have been presented during the 3GPP workshop on use cases organized by SA in May, and have been also presented here again. The 6G NTN concept needs to be adapted to several use cases with different requirements and different applications. So this flexibility is really a must, and we are demonstrating that this concept that we propose through the project is really flexible and adaptable to these use cases. We attended a very interesting session organized by 6G for Society on sustainability. We actually look at and learned about three dimensions. I mean, the economic dimension, the societal dimension, and the environmental dimension. Indeed, the 6G NTN concept can address in a very flexible and efficient way the environmental aspect, but also the societal aspects, addressing inclusion and digital divide in rural, suburban, but also urban environments. Another aspect that we learned is that it's very important to address public protection and disaster relief. This is one of our cases, but is one of the use cases that is also addressed in sustainability. The impact of 6G NTN on standardization is very high, which actually give us more motivation to go towards standardization and to bring the gap between standardization and research within the project. There has been a presentation related to the impact of the different project, SNS project, on standardization, and 6G NTN seems to be one of the most productive projects in terms of contribution to standards, in particular to 3GPP. This is very important because bringing the research and the development of the project in standardization helps the entire community to be more competitive, in particular the European community to be much more competitive in the worldwide market.